darling.
More spotting, girl.
Hey. Woo. How you doing? How you doing, girl? Long time in a
Fabulous.
What's up? What's up? What's up?
I'm here just giving you a check to see how my good girl's going on. And you know the usual catch up and sis.
So tell me what I want for you now.
Well, you know the usual. Fabulous self, fabulous people who now work with just move right along.
That's
What about you? What I want for you?
Well, why?
Speaking of which, we're billing.
It's ain't gonna work.
And you still get $200?
Still I get $200. Same gonna work, same won't get raise up here. And I'll know me can't see that they raise up.
Right now, it look like you need to change that. They work there.
So I'm not changing. And that they work the him love. I love that alone.
Say no to nobody else where you like. Look how you're fabulous and clean, girl. What you do with yourself? You can't show up yourself like
I
that.
have this friend.
Friend.
Named
No,
Joe.
stop. Tell me more.
Yeah.
Yeah, keep secrets.
No, me not keep no secret.
Joe, as in Joe Grind. What is saying
Whatever,
to
whatever,
me? You've been
whatever.
keeping secrets.
No, the secret you know, is just that I just my friend. Me don't want nothing more.
So how you
than
mean
that
that the friend? I mean, think of me and your only good friend. I mean, think they didn't know
mean-
everything about you.
We just go out and then we see him and
You all
he
go
he
out.
have little money and stuff.
Cha-ching, ching. I heard the M word.
And
So
he
hold on.
look good and he look
But
nice.
good.
And he
No,
look like
stop.
he can do
You know,
something.
oh, gee, what you mean saying look like, you know, they're not yet.
Nope.
So how long you know this at Joya?
Yeah. Just
Yeah, but you go out with him, so the mere fact say you can't go out with him, it must mean that you like him.
just a month.
1 month?
Oh, forgot the laundry. Sorry, I'm going back for it.
Okay. Yes, girl. Sorry about that. I missed your call.
Yeah, maybe just take the multi-machine. May I call?
I'm actually over by Angie, yeah. As soon as I'm through, I'm going to give you a call. What you planning to do later?
So girl, tell me what man.
Alright, me call you back. Angie just come back in. She's doing her laundry. Later. Alright. Yes, girl. But you know, absolutely. Yeah. Me talk to you later, man. Don't worry yourself. Alright, bye. So you do housework and all these things and you only get $200. Even help I get more money than you, girl.
Girl, we know that, but what we have to do, we have
But you know,
somebody can live.
good Joe. Right? And you have to test out the
Just a friend,
grind.
we not really take him as nothing
That's how it
else.
normally starts, honey.
But
That's how it
well,
normally
he nice
starts.
and he have the
So tell me about the money part that interests me.
well, I don't know what kind of job he does, but
You mean say you talk to this man out gone out with him and you don't know what him do? Is he in construction?
no, that's Billy.
Quote
I
unquote
don't see where the
construction.
money coming from.
Really? So when you say money, how your money part go? You get no money from him?
Hold on. I think I hide it somewhere now.
Oh, well, yeah, say girl, no stop. You talk my story right about now. Cause you know, good girl, I forget things. Woo! Yes, girl, talk to me. Cause we're fabulous, and we're cute, and we're nice, and we have places and things to go and do.
This girl.
No, son, let me see how much o'clock I strike. Yes, a girl. No, so look back on the day and see if you have more.
No, me not have that all in the way.
No, man, try look good because there's no way
No,
you
me
can't
tell
only
us that
get
me not
this.
have. No, me not have no.
Yes, girl.
So we have, Ocha?
So girl, when a friend, you can't get things. When you get things, you have to look out for your same way.
But you never give me nothing yet when you get
No,
things.
because you don't have to ask me, always just do. Right? So what we are going to do later? What your plans? You know when we go shopping? Go put on something and make you go shopping, man. Make you go treat
I don't
yourself.
feel the vibes.
You need to do up your hair and all these things. You can't just choke it. Look how you're nice. Stand up. Look in the mirror. Look how you're nice.
Stop it,
I think
man.
if you talk to this girl, turn on. You know me think if you talk to him, girl. Me think if you talk to him. Nice up yourself. Nice you can't choke yourself. You're not granny. You understand? Hold on, let me fix you. You have to look good and sexy. Look how you look nice. You can't choke yourself. So you're granny? No, sir. Even my granny look nicer than you right now. No way. Look how we're fabulous. No, sir. No one for me is a draw him. Because him seem like him go take good care of you.
Girl, you know me know wear my clothes
Well,
like
set
this.
it some man, set it some. Let me show you one style. And then style you wear, you know. Then style you wear, you know.
But
Yeah.
this look like skittle.
No. You're not gonna act like skittle because you're fabulous. Look at your nice. Talk truth.
Alright.
Yes.
We go out.
Yes,
but
maybe-
not today.
When we ever go? When are we gonna go? Talk to me.
Probably weekend.
But you have to look nice and fabulous like this. You have to make sure so you balance out the thing. You understand? Balance out the thing. We will talk, you hear? Alright. Hold on there, Angie. Come to think about it. Angie! So hold on. You need to balance out the thing and try to get some more money and all these things.
Yes, girl, but
You understand? Because if one put in one ear and the other one put in another ear, then you have to just kind of balance out the thing. You understand? Yes.
Alright.
Call me, you hear?
Alright, no problem.
Alright. So hold on. Like when you ever get more, just give me $100 more, man. Just give me $100 more, man. You ever get it back.
I'll come one.
Come on, man. You're a good friend. Sure.
That's
Yes,
all I
girl.
have to do, man.
Love
Sure.
you. Bye.
Why call it not easy, no boy. To me friend him not easy at all. Ah, Jesus.
Orende.
No, sir.
Orende.
Mr. Dandy, are you on the house?
My good grandfather then left this give me.
No.
Let me sing a song because you love going you know I'm hearing.
No, you on the house.
Orende.
Mr. Dandy, Billy's not here. You cannot come in here, sir. Billy's not here.
Billy's not here.
No, he's not here, sir. Every time you come, you walk only down, pumping, like I say. Are you on it?
You know, me have a little pain right or so. Yeah man, that's why I'm in the bed. It's not asking you if you fix my pain, you know. You just dip on the bed. Well, I know. So how my rent all go?
Sir, I'm working on your rent.
Look for my clothes. Look. Crush from head to toe. The people them cut off the light and the little money when me have to go down and solve up here.
Sir, you know something really sad out there.
I already tell you, you know, it's not good to be touching. It's not good to be touching. All I come about is my rent.
Sir, I not have no money no man. Billy say he's
But
sitting
darling, listen. I'm tired of telling you. Get rid of Billy. Things can be, I don't have to spell it out in so much words, you know, young lady. Things can get nice for we. I wonder if you know what me I talk about. Get rid of Billy. Billy is no good. Let me tell you something, young girl. You say you're nice. Look at her. Spin the roll from your God. Look at her. Yes, man. Oh, stop now. Behave yourself. Right? Every day me pass Billy, you know. Down a Mass John shop, that's I drink rum. There's a drunk there with. How old you be? How old are you?
23, sir.
You don't feel like say. You just need a proper man. Take care of you, pay the bills and get things right.
That's why I tell us I'm soon sort out.
No, but you have to know the sort out where you talk. Tell me the sort out where you want to sort me out. Tell me the sort out there and me will sort out things.
Sir, this no, you know, Mr. Danby, you know, say.
No, so what? Come on, man. Are you with my shirt crush up from not being red? Don't try to fix it.
We gonna give you money, sir. Your back now stop hurting now?
No. My money make my back stop hurt.
You don't have no money, sir.
Well, fix things you say you're going to sort me out.
We gonna
The
give you
plumbing
money.
did fix in the bathroom. Come.
Yes, sir. It fix.
Show me say it fix. Come.
Sir, see
Show me. Go in there.
See there, sir, it fix.
Alright. So why in the bathroom smells so?
Alright, give it to me now, so you're gonna finish it.
The bathroom stink, man.
Are you are the landlord, sir? You need to fix the
That
bathroom.
smell like Billy pass through. Me smell rum and all mildew. Billy pass through. You just make sure I get my rent.
Sir, Billy, did cheat on
Just make sure I get my rent. Or Think about it. Tomorrow you think about how you're gonna sort me out. Have a good day.
Alright, Mr. Dandy.
Alright, you have a blessed day.
Every time you come in here,
Continue to take care of that good little body and stop make Billy use and abuse you. It is not right, you're only 25 years old.
I said 23, sir. Stop running on my age.
You have a good evening now. Bye-bye.
Every time you come, you want jump on bed like say you one bed. You just own the one room in here, so you come on bed, you want lay down, you want stretch out, you want do everything. You don't understand this, man, yeah? What's up, fuck? You know, so they're right, though. Come to think of it. Carla, after me say, if we sort out things with Joe, see where can go on for me. No, Mr. Dandy, I tell me something to left Billy because Billy no know. You know? No work, nothing at all. What a thing? Think me for real left Billy? You know so me go do it? Me go take out. Me go call Joe right now. Voicemail. So me not get Joe phone. No man, me not get Joe phone. Me not get Joe phone. I'm just longing for some good sex. Sure. We go call him one more time and he better answer this time. Hi, good evening, Joe. I was calling you like 6 other times and I wasn't getting your phone. Yes, I'm home. You can come over and chill and talk and, you know, laugh. Yes. Yes. Oh, come on, stop it. You know, come on. We're just friends, so you know. No, Billy, he's not here. Yes. Come on. Well, maybe. Yes. Maybe we can do that too. Just come over. I'll send you the location. I'll ping you the location, alright? Alright, see you. Hey! Yes, Jesus, we don't get that soaked. Hey! Mm-hmm. Ooh, yeah. A long time this body and I get started with him because I don't know where Billy I do with him 1 minute. But don't worry. Joe Gran is going to start me out. Who is it?
You know who it is already, honey.
So fast to reach?
Of course, after me I wait for
Alright,
you.
I'm coming.
Don't keep me waiting now.
I'm coming.
Angie, honey. You can feel the steam from here, Angie. Joe Grind is here, honey.
I'm coming.
You ready for that body you got there?
Just give me a minute. I was washing up some stuff. Just give me a minute, please.
You washing up?
Yeah, just give me a minute. I'm coming.
Keeping it clean. Leave that for Billy. Come on, Angie, come on.
I'll come in.
No, leave it for Billy. What is he gonna do?
Hi, darling.
Hello, Angie.
How are you doing?
Alright. I'm longing for you. Look at your body. Nice and pretty.
Oh,
I just want to make so much love to you right now.
Stop it. So that's all I come here for. You can't just let me talk a little bit first.
Of course, Angie, but guess what? It's because a long time we don't do anything, so. It's because a long time we don't.
So what's up? How was your day? You're going to work today?
It's alright, I was thinking about you all day.
Oh, stop it.
I'm being serious right now. I'm being serious right now, and I'm ready for that body you got there. Ready for it?
Really now?
Angie. Woo! I've been waiting for this day.
Oh, Joe. Stop it. Stop it, man.
You
You
mean what?
just
Stop it?
reach, man. Just
Are
wait
you ready
now.
for you right now? What you talking about? Come here, baby love.
Just wait now. Just wait now.
Oh, that's how you want it. Okay. Okay, Angie. You know you're gonna get it real hard. Billy can't give it to you them way. Guess what gonna happen now? Angie.
You've been exercising, man.
Yes, Angie, I'm gonna give it to you the real way.
Alright, baby, come on.
Yes. You're good, dog. Them I think I will never go on. Why we have yes, man?
You think it easy?
Think you easy? You think I ever go on? You think yeah?
You soon coming up? Let me come. Wait.
Feel good, though. Feel good.
You tired?
Now we just start.
Woman. Woo. You feel the heat?
Steam off your body, baby.
Woo. Hold on.
Hold on. Hold on for me. Angie.
Joe. I'm coming.
Angie!
Yes.
Backside, every time you lock the door. Where you lock the door for, man?
Angie,
Mm-hmm.
why you lock the door?
Asleep, man.
Sleep. You sleep at morning, you sleep at day, you sleep at night. You just say sleep, sir. So,
Where you come from, Billy?
Angie, Angie, how you name smell like that?
But they eat some
Sure.
food and you never.
You
Never cook good.
You have to learn for backside cook. And I tell you something, if you do all like cooking, me and the man I have me, wash, cook and clean. You understand? Because that the food you smell ram still. It smell like spoiled fish. Where say?
So where you come from now?
Eh?
Where you come from?
I come from now, man. You know I work, man. Run
So
off
you
the
don't have
side.
no money?
Outside. Yes, come, have something.
Just the food, man. Just work on it.
The food, say eat the food and it smell like the food is spoiled. What's that? Angie, come in, car. Roma walking on my body right now, you know.
No.
Angie, all the bed smell like the spoiled food. No, man. Baby, come now, baby. Honey, come now. Come now.
What?
Come.
You soon come. Oh! You know say landlord come today?
Landlord, come.
Yes.
So
And
they
he
give me
come and
money,
say,
they give me
no.
money.
Where you get the money from?
They
You never give me no money.
$200 every day.
If you buy the food for your cook for your steamed fish and something,
So
where we
it's
go
like-
get money from?
You know, I learned me tell you, you have to turn your hand and make fashion. You have to make your hand turn fashion so you can do look like this, look like that. You have to make things work.
But that the $200 I can't do.
Oh, you mean that the 200, you know much that things that the 200 can do? You have to save, look today, look tomorrow. Every week to make a dime. You have one cocoa fill basket. Now that you're going to tell us, sure.
So,
Come on, nobody fix up bed, man, because we're working on it now, man. See what I'm talking about, man. Come on.
I'm tired.
Come on.
I'm tired, man.
Come on.
I'm tired, man.
Me not tired yet. Me not tired, man.
Hey, babe, me have to tell you.
What now?
You say me have one
You're
friend.
pregnant?
No!
Wait. You're pregnant.
I cannot be impregnated by you 1 minute.
my dad.
Sit down.
Yo.
You think
I
1
don't
minute
like
can't do
playing,
nothing?
no. So you tell me some good
Babe,
news.
I want to see again. Just want to know.
Sus. You know, I'm making it here, but I love sus.
Babe, I have one friend, you see?
Yes.
And you know, one looks like Joe Grind. With him and
You
him.
got them backside.
No,
So I
yes,
can't
no.
eat that man out there, no.
No.
Man, full of sick. Me don't know man
One
food
me I
say
tell
no.
you. And I say the
Yeah.
girl, like the girl man, like he have
Yeah.
the man in her house.
Yeah.
And the girl man come. And she
Yeah.
say, let me show you what she do. She say,
What she do? Show me what she do. Show me what she do.
she say,
Show me what she do.
Joe, come on, closet. Joe, come on, closet.
Eh,
Yes, I'm she
Yeah,
come
I
on,
come
I
back.
say my one, you know. And I say my one.
Yes. Hey, me I tell you, I'm an idiot man that you know.
He say,
No, sir. No, hold on, yes. You mean if you say, you know, straight sheet for
yes, he say just try shit over her head. So I say, Joe, come on, try.
I tell you, Joe, come on, let's show.
Yes.
Yo, yes. Me I tell you now, that could have never happened to me. You're
Why
mad.
me I tell
You're
you,
mad to
only
me.
you know.
Yes, you're mad. I'm to yeah, but you know, want some sex here, so that me tell my friend them long say no say when me all up in night and why not this so you know, and we are walking so all the bed here I will jerk so enough time we are walking man and the bed I'm be nice.
I remember that, but it's okay.
Yes, alright, but now go hold up, now go shower now cause sweat you know. Sweat if I'm holding. Yes, the phone a ring. I hear the phone a ring.
But that's still man, you can't.
Sure.
I must see all the landlord a call again.
I don't too like him, you know.
He say just, he man come in, see me. Panny bed.
Pound for bed. If I
Papa,
there,
bed. Mr. Sir, get up out of
there.
here. Your parents inside here have to do at your grandfather place, none of yours, your grandfather place.
there.
The man come out, me back pen, and me back pen.
I I should have there. I know what clock I strike, but in
And I come to me say, he like,
me any money buy.
he don't get 50 iron his shirt because of we are.
And
He says,
look workless man now, in workless. In workless.
speaking about workless,
Yes, I got all that fresh.
where overtime money there, where you say,
Yes, you know, case you get the partner jam and everything will go nice.
every day
Make
me
it
get,
the partner
every
jam.
day you come back,
Make it
partner
partner
jar, and
Yes,
now me can't
yes,
get
man,
no,
buy one flat screen TV, big one, so big sign up, so it did.
no, me won't need one
Yes,
phone.
we need to go fresh up now. Want to fresh up now, and then we get it on. Woo!
I'm going to battery.
Yes, as soon I'll be back. See, come
Sure.
back.
I look home and look at boy, you look 1 minute, but you want joke. What kind of joke you could have want joke so? Every day he come in junk and he stink around. He wants steam fish. Every day this man wants steam fish and okra. And all the man give me is $200. In a 2020 you want to give me $200. What $200 can do? Me? Every day you come you want front. Well, you not get no front tonight. I'm like well tired. Woo yeah. Oh Lord. So babe, it joke about the Joe grind sweet, not true? Hi. Where you said that can't happen to you? Where you said babe, that can't happen to you? Where you mean that can't happen to you? Make sure say you play your cards them right, you know, cause Joe grind we take over. Woo. That the girl them must in a heat. So babe, why you bait so long? Hurry up and come now. I feel so tired. Babe, what we gonna eat for dinner?
Steam fish and okra. And steam fish and okra. Cat juice.
Steam fish and okra again.
Yeah. It make you strong back there, so that's why we can wine out, so you know.
For the 1 minute. Billy.
Angie, why you frighten me like that?
Come, Billy, we have to come out. Tell the land, say we have to
Why you
come
need to
out.
come on?
Because when you go in rain, so we have to come out, Billy.
Come on, go where?
We
When I do start being there, them go
We
come.
have to come out, Billy.
Come on, where?
Just we have to go for your uncle and stay till we can get some of it.
What?
Why?
Why?
Because we don't have no money for
And that
pay.
him always say.
Billy, we just have to come out.
Him always tell himself to come out.
Come on, Billy, man, we just...
Babe, no tell me the foolishness, man.
Babe, remember so we have to...
Me always tell yourself to come out.
You want your police fan we...
Wait, me say?
You want your police fan we...
Come, no. Take it back. Take it back. Yes, come. Leave. No.
Yes,
No. Come. Yes, where your things in
No,
there?
we're going to make you go and come here to go do some other things first. So me just go carry my bag with me. Just go and look for your uncle till we come. Be about... Just go and look for your... Yes.
Babes, hurry up, you know.
Yes,
Don't make it
go.
go and catch you, yeah?
Alright.
No, babes, hurry up.
Alright. Make sure you stay safe on the road. You hear? Don't make nobody tell us if we go...
Alright, babes, now the eye.
Alright. No make you see you know.
No.
Up by your uncle if you go, you know.
Who's skilled there?
Look here, no make nobody left here, you know. Me we come up there for you here. Me go look somewhere first and then me come back for you here.
Alright,
Alright.
Hurry up, babes, hurry up.
Boy, I never see a man fool so. No, sir. You know which woman? I was say, babe, make we come and I will let you come in our house. No, sir. Me need to call Joe. Billy, I really get to know about your man I had. Why? You want to see look on your face.
Hi, baby.
Joe, I got news for you. Yes. No, I'm running away. So you can come up. Yes, you can come stay with me now. Alright. Yes, ma'am. You have the location, right? Alright. See you. Bye. Mwah, I love you. Alright. Boy. You really have to get rid of Billy. I'm sorry. Tired. Woo. I'm gonna hurry up and fix up the place before Joe coming up because I don't want him to say the place nasty. Because like the old one Billy him gone because he no work nothing about him and man a yard. You want fish and you want okra, you want carrots, and you want fruit punch juice, and you want work 1 minute and get $200 every day. What do you think $200 can do? You know this age and time here, 2020. $200? What this a boy I take me for idiot though? $200? No man. What's up? Look on this money away. A Joe give me? Look on 100. Flip. And this a boy I want to give me $200. For steamed fish, okra, carrot, fruit punch juice. So what? No man. What's that? You really have to go. Have to go, man. You don't manage him no more. How would you not call me it? Yeah.